Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're checking out the Prostormer cordless mini grinder. Let's show you guys what you get in the box. All right guys, this is it. So it is wireless. You got 3 modes, speed modes. Press the button right here to turn them on. You charge it right there. They give you the USB cable. They give you sanding pads and also grinding pads. So what you do, if you want to take this top piece off, you press in this button and then you twist it. You can tighten it doing that as well or loosen it. So once you press down the button and you loosen up the inside that holds your little tools, you can then put on whatever you want. So we're actually going to be using this for grinding small rusted bolts in our vehicle to prep them for painting, and this will allow us to do that. Now you can use this for tons of applications. It's a basically do-it-yourself. And now that you have a grinder on, let's go ahead and show you kind of how this would work. Now each person's application is going to be different. I'm just giving you guys an example, but it does work really well. All right, let's say we wanted to prep this piece right here for painting or something. We could then go ahead, turn on the grinder. And what that does is that roughens it up. So can you see it stripping right up here? So it strips it. So what that does is that allows you to then paint over a surface once it's grinded and stripped. So this allows you to do tons of different stuff, tons of different projects, whatever you guys are working on. For us, it's our vehicle. Once it cools down a little bit, we're going to start doing that. So guys, whatever you need it for, it definitely works great for any application. It performs great, guys.